Hi everyone, and thanks very much for coming in today. We're going to go through some more stuff that sold this previous week. I picked, I believe, 15 or so items, print ads and postcard related items from my store. I'm going to start off with this one. It is a really nice one. It's a 2-page ad from 1948 for Philco refrigerator, but what stole the show on this one was definitely the Alice in Wonderland theming. And just so everybody knows, this predates the Disney movie by a couple years. Alice came out in 50, I believe, 51. And this is from 1948. Tweedledee, Tweedledum. There's Alice. There's the Mad Hatter. You got the Walrus from The Walrus and the Carpenter. You even have Humpty Dumpty in this one. Very, very nice ad. This sold for $26.39 plus shipping. You can see I still have that sale going, the 20% off. So great to see this one sell. Really nice item there. And next up, we go back to 1929. Again, the pricing $13.19 because of the 20% off. $13.19 plus shipping. Heinz ketchup. It's an old standby. These things sell all the time. So definitely, if you want to use the phrase BOLO, go ahead. But Heinz products, specifically that ketchup ads, sell constantly for me. This one's no exception. Again, $13.19 plus shipping. And here you can see from 1942, World War II era ad, U.S. Royal golf balls. $13.19 plus shipping on this one. Black and white advertisement. A very nice, unique advertisement here. And now we go up to 1966, Valentine's Day as we record this, a little over a month away already. It's hard to believe, but from 1966, Brock's Chocolates. Can never go wrong with these style ads, especially this time of year, January, February, get them up. Next big holiday is Valentine's Day. Brock's, a classic Valentine's box filled with candy. Really nice one. Same price, $13.19 plus shipping. Now we go to 1950. This one I priced too low, but I'm still happy with the $13.19. I should have priced this up. 1950 Nash automobile. Kind of an odd color, almost a copper brown sort of cover. Really nice. It's called the Air Flight by Nash. Nash is a company that no longer exists and as such is highly collected. So if you see any Nash automobiles, definitely get those up. They sell very well. All the way back to 1904 for this one. This is a really nice advertisement. You can see this one is only 2.5 by 2.5 inches. So when I get that question over and over, do the little ads sell? You betcha they do. This one, $10.39 plus shipping. A little advertisement for Vanilla Secret, it looks like, by a company called Van Duzer extract out of New York City from back in 1904. Beautiful sale there. Up to 1965, we go for the next two. We had one buyer pick up the next two ads together. So both of them, of course, $13.19 plus shipping. So you figure almost $27 combined. I did combined shipping, of course, so it only cost them $4.50 to ship. First up is Lipton Chicken Noodle Soup. Very wholesome looking ad there. Kind of says it all. A bunch of kids enjoying some hot Lipton soup. And then the second ad, another very wholesome one. Little guy there with a box of Kellogg's cornflakes. So again, $27 combined there plus shipping. Now we will move over to the postcard section of today's What Sold video. The first one happens to be an RPPC, and this is one that I picked up at the York Postcard Show back in November. $1. All of these were $1 each. This one is of the Grand Coulee Dam in Washington State. You can see it's during the process of being built. This one sold for $15 plus $4 shipping. $1 purchase. All right, next up is this image. It's a linen card from the 40s. It's from New Jersey, in Jersey City, the Journal Square Station. It is currently a PATH station, if anybody knows that area. I used to take this train all the time into Manhattan from Jersey City. Let's blow this one up here. You can see there's a Lowe's Theater in the background, which I highlighted right there, the old cars. This one sold $9 with free shipping. Next up, took a best offer of $5 on this. Enfield, New Hampshire, Mascoma Lake. A whiteboard card there with, pretty lake image. Scenic view is what I usually title it. Macoma Lake, there's the little boat with some folks on it. That one sold for $5. Another New Jersey card. New Jersey cards sell really well, especially these Shoretown cards. I mentioned that in some previous shows. Took a best offer of $6 on this one. I've seen this card out there. It's pretty common. Another white border card. Looks like 1932. Little boy, the ocean and me, standing in the waves. Sold that again, $6. And next up is a card we sold for $9. It's from Irontown, Ohio. It's just a courthouse. Nice image there. It looks almost like a photo, but I don't believe it's a photo. I looked with my beloved loupe, jeweler's loupe, and sure enough, I saw the matrix, the dot matrix stuff from it was postmarked in the 20s, but a nice looking image for sure. Kind of a unique town, Irontown, Ohio. So very happy with $9 on that one. Next up is a town called Swan Island, Maine. I do have this incorrectly noted as a linen. It's definitely a white border card, as you can see here. Plus the dating, stamped in 1919. So it predates the linen, so shame on me, but I did already get good feedback on this one, so no harm, no foul. Swans Island, Maine, just a nature scene down a pathway. Sold that one for $5. Next is a town called Mount Sinai, New York. It's a divided back card, sold for $10. A glimpse of the harbor from a restful nook. Really nice nature scene there. A little house in the background, some trees. And there's the back of that one. Postmark in 1913. $10 on that guy. And then finally, I showed this one, I think, on the show on Friday, the listing show. This one sold for $5. Don't make me say this name again. Skenaddles. You say Skenaddle, I say Skenaddle. New York, upstate, obviously. Postcard, picturesque church, stream, and rocks is how I defined it. Older card there. Sold that one for $5. So we kind of whizzed through this video. I just want to keep everybody up to date with the sales. They're going well. The print ad continues to sell really well with the sale I have going on, and the postcards as well. So great to see everybody. Thanks so much for coming in. Do check out the live listing shows here on the Jiminy Flipper channel on Friday nights, usually start around 6 o'clock, and the weekly chat show, which just happens to be tonight, Monday at 7, and every Monday at 7. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel and you enjoyed the content, I'd really appreciate it if you would consider joining us, and leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.